I'm flying out to Atlantic City, actually Philadelphia, and then taking in the commuter train because I get to run ProPresenter for a corporate gig. Turns out that one of the other people is here and has a rental car, so we're riding together. Well, the gig in Atlantic City went fine. I'd hoped to take some more video, but I ran out of space on my iPhone. Now I'm on my way to Virginia Beach after staying at Harrah's for 3 days, where everything was at least twice as expensive as it should have been. It actually felt like it was cheaper here to eat first lunch at Chick-fil-A and supper at Chipotle. Well, I'm here at the show. Everything is set up. We've actually had a day go by already, and I got to use my Mac as opposed to their Windows machine. Well, the show's over and we're breaking down, flying out of Virginia Beach. My plane was supposed to land about now, except my pilot was in Toronto instead of with the plane.